Ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to the second chapter of the episode we did with a guy who is an ex-convict. Boele Ejere Bafwetu. So, and then I gave him a platform to say whatever it's in the heart. Then he said he wanted to start a coffee shop, and then what will be the requirements? He needed a gas, a cooler box, etc. So that's why we're here today to hand over what he wanted to have so that he can start the business, so that he can be free from crime and help young people not to go to prison, actually not to commit crime, not to follow his footsteps, which is a good move. So today, as we are here to hand over those stuff. We've managed to raise funds so that we buy everything that he needed to save his life. Let me say this, without any doubt, this is number one, innovative, productive, educational, inspirational, and relevant podcast in the whole universe. JP Orange. Let's go inside. Abasho. Me out. I start to shine. I was keeping that concrete. Otherwise, ready? Number one.
Thank you, Manes.
Yeah. Team now for it. Okay. No, wahupola mfwetu na kwele utlile ko podcasting or chakete da ko Malboro la at our studio.
Yes,
when you wanted to start a coffee shop.
Yeah.
And then the idea behind the coffee shop was not only to sell coffee and make money, but you wanted to create an environment where gentlemen with boys will gather and discuss the issue, Samachita, how can we solve the conflicts that we have in life.
To 100%.
Yeah, so today retlisitse ntotse wa di batla. It's gazebo, it's gas, it's cooler box, snacks, it's tea, it's coffee, so that you start the business. How do you feel?
I feel very overwhelmed in that.
Yeah.
It's very emotional, this thing.
Yeah.
Once a dream can come true.
Yeah.
Uskalahla hope.
Yeah.
So how to sanna so?
Yeah.
Uthusa le bafana ba bangata.
Yeah.
True nna.
Yes, var.
Wa bona ngwaneso. Yeah, ke thabile haholo hobane ntwana tsa ka di drugs di teng di crime di teng everything.
Yeah.
Le bo ba rona majwala a mangata wa bona.
Yeah.
So ha ke tlo thusa bona ke ba createla environment e jwala butwaka.
Yeah.
Mo elong re ntsha di issue tsa rona.
Yeah.
Ko ntlong ba di ntsha di issue batho.
Yeah.
Ba di ntsha mara it's like ha utlwahale hona le di qabantsa ka matlo di stop nonsense. Yes, it's just that fella di stop nonsense di kwetse ntho tse ngata.
Yeah.
Ha o di bona o feta.
Exactly.
Wa bona?
Yeah.
Mara re batho re tswa di family ra di tseba ntho tse.
Yeah.
I can read motho a tla hore ha mnate.
Yeah.
But no, ha ke batlo bona ntwana nyane sa tsebe next.
Yeah.
Ha sa le mnate yona.
Yeah.
Ka 15 ka 20.
Yeah.
Ka 11 years.
Yeah.
Ho tsho dream ya e tlo sotleha.
Yeah.
A ka khutla tlo bolaya nna mfano.
Yeah.
Ka enga ya hae.
Yeah.
Ka bophelo bo ba mphedisang bona. Ha ona motho a la mo hlokomedisa.
Yeah.
Now I was very multi-talented.
Yeah.
Boxing, ski, acting, totse baya ne ke di tseba ke le ka mo le ka mo.
And then because of lack of opportunities and good
Yes.
talent scout
Thank you,
and development.
So
you didn't make it.
Di-drugs di ngata iso. Mara exposure ya talent ha ngata. So black people are talented.
Yeah, ne.
Ha re tloeleng ho kwalwa ngondo.
Yeah.
Everything. Ho bua, ho bina, ho draw, ho etsa koloi ya diterata, that's talent. Ntwana tsa ka ha di kgothale, di bale vie.
So before we hand over Dulas, what would you like to say about the podcast?
You know, ever since ke tsamaya di-podcast ngwaneso, ke qala ho thola thuso.
Yeah.
The real help.
Yeah. Practical.
The tangible help.
99.
Yeah. Ke qala ho thola thuso. Maybe di tlo tla tse ding tse ngata ngwaneso wa bona. Plus maybe wena o bula tsela.
Yes, var.
Wa nthola ngwaneso. O bula tsela. So ke re fela he ho Israel Matsikezolo podcast bafethu. Le Israel Orange, GP Ma Orange.
Get to professor.
Ntotse ho bane fela di tle ka wena ngwaneso. To me it's like God himself.
Yeah.
I know they might say you are not God.
Yeah.
But to me you are God.
Yeah.
Because unginspireile ntho ntse baya. Wa etsa ke tisetse ke robala ksasha ka tisetsa ka rama no tla loka ma orange di khona ho loka ma orange ke yo ntsa khona ho actor ntsa khona ho etsang surely robala jele le nna ke tla robala ke jele and I want to ba spiritual ba ona lo tshore ska wa ra robala o saja ho sane is another day. So ha di tla ka wena butwa ka modimo romme wena I did not know this hore thuso e tla hlaka mang wa bona ke re fela ha o ka hla thuso but na le khona sisa
ngiyakhumbula the last episode on the episode you spoke about we are the reflection of God. You said so.
Yes.
Gore rona re modimo re matla ko mafung re matla kae ganti no modimo ke rona.
That's why re sa khone lo mmitsa o le mnate. Re mmitsa o le bohloko. Ha e o re ra mohopola re dula ntse re mohopola ra mtse. Mara no re mmitsa ha o le mnate ha o le bohloko. Ha o le mnate a re mmitseng la o le mnate.
Yes, var.
Re wa nthola ngwaneso.
Chalimina, I think we must hand over the stuff. But helping one person, you are helping the community.
Thank you, ngwaneso.
And by helping the community, you helping the nation. And by helping the nation, you are saving the whole world. That's a quote. Yabona at least manje izinto zoyenzeka ke manje.
Nazi ziyenzeka.
At least
intwana zami zibe ne hope manje
egcwele. And then abanye bazofunda kuwe hayi ukuthi sizoza ku wonke umuntu simnika amagesi. Yazi abantu banjani. Uzoza umunye sekazivalele khoneni khona la nami phela ufuna ukushaya ifruit show. Aningithengele namazambane. Kanti kunala lento iqale khona.
Thank you ngwaneso.
Itse ditulo mfethu. Istoro sakho sibe nesithunzi.
Hayi sizoba naso.
Sibe ne dignity.
Awukhubeli ne?
Hayi.
Negazibo ibe khona. Yabona yazi business. Yazi why ama business wabo Daki anga prosper. Based on my experience as an entrepreneur. I'm a businessman myself. Naku siyothenga masemolini kunomama obeka izenge lapha kunamatamati and then sithi Pick n Pay ngapha amatamati akhona asefridge so uyothenga maphi wena
ayingiye Pick n Pay
lawa sewashise nayilanga uyazibuza ukuthi lawa ngathi bawadophile lawa so the secret of business ushebe lishopo esatlalanga batho abareki
ke yona exactly ngwaneso
yabo batho ba reka ko shopo ngetletseng because esatlalang go bankare ba ditopile ntho tseo ba ibona reng di trinyana ukuthi hayi lezi ngathi sibolile lezi why kusele zi3
and asimasho ukuthi iba bangazithenga
so your business must look legitimate must have glamour must look attractive you must attract the money. You must look the money. That's the skills of business, entrepreneurship. Understand the sako sibe sihle, clean lapana. The environment has to be clean. Customer care, good customer care. But the customer is always right. The customer might know man letiyeleli ngilithengile mara ngathi ushukela uyashota. Ungamphakameli uthi yabona manje ngathi uzongisogolisa. la ushukela la. Yeah, so i-skill njengogas wona nje sebusiness. Yeah. Nazi into zakho mntaka baba asinasikhathi masisuka la khona amanye amajite kumele siyobasiza basimele. Yabo siyasebenza phela thina. Yeah.
Sibaningi.
Yeah. Nazi into zakho mfethu. Ikhwebo iqalile
sukile baba.
Yeah, kuyophuma kuwe ke ukuthi mase bathenga wena uzothatha le mali bese uyayidla awuki yostoka.
Uke wakhuluma elinye igama bhuti yabo. Mangila e-podcasting ukuthi you must not work from hand to mouth. Lelo gama ngilithathile ngivayenalo. Lela.
Yeah. Bamba ibhandi, bopha ibhandi. Plaza ubuye nje iveni kuizwe kubopha ibhandi mawubuye entweni.
Ngalifasa ngisenje.
Yeah, uyalifasa ibhandi ubamba umoya for 6 months. No luxury. Awuphuza amabhodlela, awuthenga ama All Star. Ubopha ibhandi to grow the business. Uyoqala ukuspenda imali after 6 months. Ukuthi manje nakhona masoyo spenda. You can't buy more than what you have.
Exactly.
Bayeke bagijime. Uzohlangana nabe stop sign, uyohlangana nabe bank. Bayeke bakudlule. See? Badlule bashaya imichichi bafula amabhodlela. Hayi sizofika isikhathi. Kancane. Ithi nguganya ifilosofi yokugcina. Enjiveni. Ngafunda ukuthi isiboshwa esingathola ivisit sikhuphuka nge7 rand. Kalkop for 7 days akayithengisi. Yakhumbula boki 1 rand ikalkop angithi? Ishume. Awudli sinkwa sakho for 7 days. Bese uyothenga 4 ounce. 4 ounce ushaya ama blade. Le 4 ounce bese izala i20. Bese i20 ne4 ounce sezizala impoli. Bazosiqolela. Bese so umakweri. Ama-chain amagedlele sewaza kuwe. So rich. Manje ama-7 rand ayingakhi lawo.
Maningi. Iko ngithi intwana zami sibe nehope because nami nginayo yabo.
Yeah. No siyabonga mntaka baba ispirit sakho yiso nase attracte lezinto your spiritual power.
Thank you baba.
If you have a positive energy you are positive in spirit. You attract good things in life.
Thank you.
Mina believe me ngithi more to come.
Thank you.
Yabona bayakubona manje, bazokubona manje on the podcast. Khona abazojoveka ukuthi ngeke sihlulwe uma orange. Thina le out siyisela ivan. So igayidinki dinky toy ikwazi ukuyostoka.
Abazokala beze mfethu for intwana zethu for umphakathi wonke.
Le igazibo le.
Igazibo.
Uyayibona mos bakubonisa ikhona ne manual ukuthi uyivula kanjani. Ngiye ngaba nayo you must handle with care mawuyivula uyi stretch laphana ungabe excited bese useyanqamuka. So sesiyayivala ke thina siphuma kanje. Your last words my brother now my camera to the podcast to our fans to everybody watching in the world.
Bafethu ngicela njengoba sengembongela ubhuti Israel ngicela ukubonga abantu abasubscribe ku Israel Matsikezo podcast. That is the #1 podcast bafethu kuya ngami because yiye engisizile namhlanje ngikhuluma into ebonakalayo. So ngithi wonke umuntu bafethu lungisa ispirit sakho. Especially mawumncane nespirit ese-right silungise ntwana yami. Ungame erenkeni yama-taxi ekubeni ufuna ukuyogibela i-aeroplane. Angeke fike uyoqina ugeza ama-taxi. Abutwaka thuswe ke thola mfandaga honna le weather ke so yayiprove na weather ihlola intse chesa yabo mara today khethile re kwale
kufika umakeba phela
kufike uJiphima orange yabo so kusho ukuthi le sizo le special ngenxa yokuthi kimi ibhuti wami kudala mina ngokulandela yabo ngibuye ejele ngayazi social media but nenene yangena ngabona wena TV ngabona uact into zasejele ini but I was positive ukuthi uyabonisa ukuthi lento le isebenza kanje uye ejele uyazi into yelayo yabo so kwayenzeka neyitori lesibe ngokuqoqela sona ukuthi ngathatha imali yami la mina ngaya eAlexander but ngajika halfway yabona ngaleso sikhathi bengingakapholi ijela lipolice la easy yabona so ukuthi usizo lezi bengil expectile vele yabona ukuthi ubani laphayana nalaphayana uzongisiza ubaba onani uzongisiza but bengala expectanga kuwe so leyo nto leyo yenza ibe special kimi yabo and today ngifuna wonke umuntu azi ukuthi you are my adopted brother umama makangishiyanga no brother biological but ubrother waka biological ukuthi ubani uthini sekuyindaba yakhe thank you nobhuti vandag wonke umuntu uyabona groot man lambe.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, over here we've got a sister. Sister Gaapa. Ne? Ausi, how do you feel today? You can introduce yourself, your name and your surname.
Okay.
Tell us how are you related to your brother, and then tell us how you feel about the day of today.
Okay, igama lami uLerato Valashia. Ngusisi omncane kuAppa.
Okay.
Uyazi ngesintu asinama cousin. Ngesilungu i-cousin but ngesintu ubhuti wami. Abo mama bethu bayalamana. Umama khulama umama so ukhuliswa umama.
Okay.
So he's our brother.
Okay.
Ukubona lento enzeka namhlanje I can say dreams do come true. Appa has been speaking about this for years but bekungathi umuntu meke khuluma into like umntwana omncane ngitlo reka BMW ngathi iphupho ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi today iphupho lakhe liyafezeka especially ngawe. You have always been le story asixoxayo so ukuthi uke wahamba waya eAlex samhleka meke buya la endlini ukuthi awajika so le ko Alex wasikatla utlo wasikafihla kweteng utlo ma ariyo ke laba le ditlhonka shapwa ke letswalo. So like maybe ukuthi if your dream doesn't scare you it's not big enough. So the fact ukuthi uye wathuka that day it showed ukuthi into ene possibility. So ngiyambongela kakhulu ngiyazi ukuthi even our cousins bonke laba khona bazobonga kakhulu. Ngicela ukubonga kakhulu from your podcast and your team. Ngiyambongela kakhulu.
Yes,
I know
lengoma le ithi Tanami
kuyabongwa kubongo
ngithanda kakhulu lengoma ngiyazi igwiji futhi ishawa amaqabani ke lena ubongo okutholayo
noma ukuncane lokho
noma ukuncane bonga give thanks
lokhu kimi naye uyazi ukuthi okukhulu nade day bekethu uyohlangana nawe ngize ngamupha ne hug. We never give each other my hugs but I was so happy for him ukuthi uyohlangana ne role model yakhe. Uyazi umuntu nabantu abathandayo la emhlabeni but there's just that one person umuntu ahlala athi mengingahlangana no so for him to meet you and for you to do this for him ngiyakubonga kakhulu.
Asibonge siswane Valencia ne
uLerato sename
Valashia shange ngesibonge sihle
Valashia lokuyisho
ithada
usisi Lerato ever since sikhula sonke yabo kwathi umama mmeshona ngibuye ejele ke nogogo eshonile since kuba umama into engayisho ngayo angilali ngadlanga akhona even if ngabahamba ichair yabo unokunginika i50 rand athi baba yabo unginike ne roof no stress no nothing bheka ngisebenza ngizile kuma social media ngiloko ngidlana everyday yangithola so umama yiko ngingakusho angikwazi anginawo amanye mfethu ngaye
bambanani man nibambaneni kanjalo nizoya phambili ningawari yini nizofaka i-tie road la kule strata lesi in future.
Bakhona abanye abayithuka sesipaneni bakhona ene brother futhi ubhuti wabo ke biological labo bantu bonke mfethu nginabo namhlanje
ngiyabona impilo inzima man. Mina I'm from Alexandra originally. It's from pavement to tie road. From tie road to car. So ngiyabona ukuthi hayi samele kusetshenzwe mara ezinye izinto kumele sizenzeleni.
Yes.
uNkulunkulu uzokugaya amandla, uzosebenza, uzoba yi-last number.
Thank you.
Khululeka uThabo.
Thank you.
Yeah, from penny to pound.
Yeah.
Kancane, piki makumiri.
Yeah.
Yeah. So asibonge.
Yeah, sibonge.
Mina ngikhulumile, angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu. Action speaks louder than words.
And umuntu ongisizile.
Yeah.
Or abantu abangisizile. Le yakubo straight manje.
Yeah.
Imisebenzi yenu usizo lenu nizolibona ngamehlo wherever you are.
Yeah.
Uzolibona usizo lakho.
Nna Charles from Wina Media ke spanele bra Israel. Ke nyako leboga kudu Mr. Banele P Dlamini who donated for re kgone etsa mmereko re o entseng. Banele P Dlamini Mr. Gift le yena o donatile something and then le Khoni Makwela from Vilolos. You know hore be re la ka gase, you donated tšhelete ya gase. I thank God hore together with Mr. Israel, we are able to work and make sure whatever the little we have, we share with our community. Somebody naka ikenya ka potleng or reka mabotlelo or reka something, but right now we decided to pour our own petrol and take our time and then reach already dreams upper di petahale. Guys, we need your support. The only way we can grow and do more, go let's subscribe to our podcast. Israel Matseke Zulu podcast. You lose nothing by subscribing. How only data, just invest there or check up content there. It will go a long way. Tomorrow is your child. Last year, by 8 go rehab from our own pocket, Mr. Israel, using our own petrol, our own resources. This year, an outstanding 12 kids by rehab. We are still waiting to return a rehab. So podcast here is not about us. It's about the people. Hence, he says it's podcast for the people, by the people. Thanks a lot. Good luck. God bless you.
Yeah. Hey, we need more donors, more donations. Private sectors, billionaires, millionaires, bring the money, bring help in this podcast so that we can help. Each one help one, and each one help all. Subscribe. Israel Matseke Zulu podcast, the #1 podcast in the world. Thank you.